Can you see yourself in the 2018 Fiat 500e? This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Fiat 500e, the future-focused two-door, all-electric plug-in hatchback with agile handling and retro Italian styling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel good about your drive in the 500e. Come in for a test drive today.